Next story.
nytimes.com. Excess CO2 averts Carrington-like apocalypse. Barnabas Collins.
2 to 3 minutes.
In a stunning revelation, scientists have discovered that the elevated levels of carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere since the Industrial Revolution may have inadvertently saved human civilization from a catastrophic solar event during the intense solar storms of last May.
According to a new study published in the journal Science, a series of powerful coronal mass ejections from the Sun directly impacted Earth's magnetic field between the 3rd of May and the 7th of May, 2024. Had it not been for a previously unknown atmospheric phenomenon, the resulting electromagnetic pulse, EMP, would have wreaked havoc on electrical grids and power transmission systems worldwide, potentially causing trillions of dollars in damage and widespread blackouts lasting months or even years.
However, the researchers believe that an unknown electroweak interaction between the solar wind, Earth's magnetic field, and the excess carbon dioxide molecules in the atmosphere dampened the EMP that would have otherwise reached the surface.
It is deeply ironic that the excess CO2 that may yet doom human civilization just saved it, said one of the study's authors, who donned the cowl of anonymous coward to speak freely. But there's new science here. We're excited.
The findings suggest that the higher concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere, primarily due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels, may have acted as a kind of protective shield against the solar storm's most destructive effects. The carbon dioxide molecules appear to have absorbed and dissipated some of the electromagnetic energy, preventing it from inducing catastrophic currents in the electrical grid.
A Carrington event is a hypothetical superstorm caused by a massive solar flare. The 1859 Carrington event was the strongest solar flare on record, named after British astronomer Richard Carrington, who observed the solar flare that caused it. The event caused widespread auroras and disrupted telegraph systems, the most advanced technology of the era. It even set telegraph paper on fire. A modern-day Carrington event, scientists have warned, could have a far more devastating impact, overloading transformers and plunging entire countries into permanent darkness, as their civilizations collapsed unrecoverably into lawlessness, hysteria, orgies and starvation.
While the newly discovered phenomenon may have averted disaster during the May solar storms, the researchers caution that it is not a solution to the ongoing threat of solar events or the climate crisis.
This is a fascinating and unexpected finding, but it doesn't change the urgent need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources, said another co-author of the study. The protective effect of excess CO2 against solar storms is therefore a temporary one and comes with its own set of dire consequences for the planet.